think what is important is to realize that less than 10% of the finance that goes in the country reaches the most vulnerable. So what this will do is actually to bring them closer to finance in terms of thinking through how finance can be configured and mobilized. For the first time, the people will hear about locally led adaptation. They will really begin to relate their experience to what can be done to manage climate risk at the local level. The way this is structured is a form of a revolving fund. It is a grant, so highly concessional. If you look at agriculture, where 70% of the population derive from grain-fed subsistence agriculture, the loss of a harvest could have an impact on a number of generations. We are not just looking at the private sector and the government, but also stakeholders, because there are some range of projects that we have configured to be eligible. It could be submitted by civil society organizations and community-based institutions. They can also access this finance. Also establishing a blended financing facility that brings together different forms of finance, the GCF finance and other finance within the region, working through microfinance institutions that are already in the system. And by so doing, we've been able to mobilize a significant amount of resources in addition to the GCF finance to really unlock and bring together a broader range of stakeholders to really drive locally led adaptation on the ground.